And we're still taking out on this side. That's the French drain that was here. This is the French drain that's going in right now. No comparison. There's no comparison. Good morning, people. We got Eddie and Chase helping us out today. What we're doing is zip tying these together so when we start dumping the rock, it won't spread it open. I want them together because we want rock on the side. Want everything right in the dead at center. We're ready to start laying rock today. Trench is ready. The other side is already dry. Just grade it out a little bit. We're ready to go. Like I said, I already know my systems work with the old NDS pipe that I used to use. They do not make that no more. So French Drain Man, I mean, he makes a pipe even better than that. So what we're doing now is just laying the rock down. Everything is in place. You guys can see all the rock is in place over there. Big stone. We've been using this rock for a while and it does wonderful. It's screened and washed. I'm working on trying to find other rock that's screened and washed, but I can't. And this stuff leaves me a lot of void. It packs, and right now it's packed. That's it. It's never gonna pack no more. Look at all those voids. Wonderful. We'll be out in the downspout on a separate pipe, and everything will connect at the end. And then this gets sealed at the end, and we put lava rock right over top. It's gonna look amazing when we're done. If you guys want more videos, let us know. I mean, look at those. Look at those. Look at that giant rock. Alright, so you guys see, we're just cleaning off the brick. But look at that, we're just throwing, we can throw all the water we want now in here. And it goes right down. If your French drain is not doing this, you either didn't grade correctly or didn't do something right. We got a hose right here, pretty far. Man, French Drain Man's pipe. It is amazing. Ooh, look at that. Look at all that water coming out of the pop-up. Amazing.